Cross-cultural psychology is a branch of psychology that focuses on the study of cultural influences on human behavior and mental processes. It is an interdisciplinary field that incorporates elements from psychology, anthropology, sociology, and cultural studies. One of the main goals of cross-cultural psychology is to understand how cultural differences impact the way people think, feel, and behave. This includes examining how cultural values, beliefs, and practices shape the way people perceive the world and interact with others. One important aspect of cross-cultural psychology is the concept of cultural relativism, which suggests that cultural differences should be understood in the context of the cultural values and beliefs of the group being studied. This means that behaviors and practices that may be seen as abnormal in one culture may be perfectly normal in another. One example of cultural differences in psychology is the concept of individualism versus collectivism. Individualistic cultures, such as those found in the United States and Western Europe, tend to emphasize the importance of the individual and their independence. In contrast, collectivistic cultures, such as those found in many Asian and African countries, tend to place a greater emphasis on the importance of the group and interdependence. These cultural differences can have significant impacts on psychological processes such as cognition, perception, emotion, and social interaction. For example, research has found that people from individualistic cultures are more likely to focus on their own thoughts and feelings, while those from collectivistic cultures are more likely to focus on the thoughts and feelings of others. Another important aspect of cross-cultural psychology is the study of acculturation, which refers to the process by which individuals adapt to a new culture. This can be a challenging process, as individuals may need to learn new customs, norms, and values in order to fully integrate into a new cultural environment. Cross-cultural psychology also has practical applications in fields such as education, healthcare, and business. By understanding cultural differences, educators can design teaching strategies that are more effective for students from diverse cultural backgrounds, and healthcare professionals can better understand and address the cultural needs of their patients. In the business world, cross-cultural psychology can help organizations to better understand and communicate with customers and clients from different cultural backgrounds. In conclusion, cross-cultural psychology is a fascinating and important field that helps us to understand the cultural influences on human behavior and mental processes. By studying these cultural differences, we can learn to be more understanding and accepting of others, and find ways to better communicate and interact with people from different cultural backgrounds.